Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm doing something a little risky, I guess. I've been suffering some gastrointestinal distress lately. So I thought I would go through my stuff and find things I needed to review. And I realized I needed to review this Malaysian extra spicy curry. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's kind of been banged up a bit, so hopefully it'll end up alright. I think it will. But it's been pulverized. There's only 2 sachets, I believe, yeah. It's 2 to 3 minutes in 400 mils of water. Wow. Yeah, that really got beat up. I'm bummed about that. But it'll work. It'll work. 1, 2, 3. I'll do it for 3 minutes. We'll beat the crap out of it. So, for the third one of the day, actually I'm gonna do a mukbang of this. I'm like, it's been a while since I've done a mukbang. But it'll be good. Anyways, another quote from the late great Momofuku Ando, the man who invented the instant noodle. And number 18. In launching my business, I had no thought of making money. The only thing I thought about was how I could work towards making the world how I could work toward making the world a brighter place. I don't know. Knowing about where he came from and why he left, he used to work in textiles and had some like run-in with a bank and jail and bad stuff. Maybe it turned him around. Maybe it made him want to do other things. But I know profit was a key motivation in his life. But the whole story goes is that he saw a fellow countryman in Japan. Actually, did you guys know he's originally from Taiwan? Just so you know. But he moved to Japan and he's now considered a hero of Japanese food culture and invention. But yeah, and what was I gonna say? Yeah, he saw people post World War II and wanted to help them out. And that's the story, and that's why he came up with the instant noodle. Although there were a lot of products that you could go and talk to somebody on the street. Oh man, that's curry. And get noodles for cheaper than instant noodles cost when they first came out. So, I don't know. I'm gonna call it good on this. Let's add this curry in. I think you need to witness this curry because it is a lot of powder. It's really dark. Oh no, look over here. Yeah. Pay attention. Come on. Look at that. Whoa, baby. And this one, this is all chili powder. Extra Pedas, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mamee Slurp. Me Segera. Extra Pedas. Perisa Kari extra Pedas, which just means extra spicy curry. Oh my god, the children are like cracking out on Baby Shark. I am so sick of Baby Shark. People who invented Baby Shark, if you're listening, you should just stop. Too much Baby Shark. That's how I feel. So I will give it a bite pre-mukbang, which is kind of a rare thing for me to do, but I'm gonna kind of use it as a gauge to see if I actually want to do this, because if I don't, if I all of a sudden have like the worst gut pain in the world, it ain't happening. No gut pain yet. It's only been a millisecond. That is really hot. Full of flavor. That's how Malaysia is. So there's going to be a bunch of new stuff from Mamee coming soon to the US. But most importantly is their ghost pepper spicy chicken noodle. I know a lot of you have wanted to try it and it's been hard to get. Well, it won't be anymore. Got some egg omega here. Egg in hand. Slice it down the middle. Very light pressure. Very light. Ah! Man. Okay. See? Just kind of suctions to the knife. Therefore, allowing none of the wonderful innards to spill. Got some fishball action. And I know, you're like, how you gonna do a mukbang? You're adding stuff to it. Well, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna do. So if you can't take it, then don't. Call your local police department. Complain that I'm gonna do a mukbang that has junk in it. And that's just fine with me. Actually, don't bother police officers with that. They got junk to do. Rescuing cats out of trees. That's what police officers do. Hey, Bert. Oh man, that was sad. Hey, Bert. Hi ho, Kermit the Frog. Okay. Hey, Bert. I can't do the hey, Bert, but I can do the Kermit. You know, as a junior police officer frog, I enjoy rescuing cats out of trees, except when they scratch my eyeballs out. Yeah. It's one of those days. But yeah, there you go. There's some curry. It's gonna go in my belly. So, this is coming out at noon. You'll see that at 2 p.m. So, enjoy your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye!